Once you've connected your drone to Betaflight, you can scroll over to the Receiver tab and then come down to the bottom where you'll see the Preview. This allows you to test your radio controls for the drone. Your left stick up and down will be your throttle, so you will not see any action on the preview as we do not have motors operational when it's connected to your computer. However, when you turn that stick and go from right to left, you will see that controls the yaw, or the right or left turn for your drone. Verify that when you go right, the drone turns right, and when you go left, the drone turns left. Your right stick then will control your pitch and your roll. If you move the stick up and down, you'll see that lets you pitch backwards or pitch forwards with your drone. Likewise, if you go left or right with the stick, you'll see that will roll the drone to the left or to the right. These three motions is how you will control your drone during flight. You will have control of the throttle, the yaw, right and left, the pitch, forward and backward, and the roll, right and left.